Hello, Dr. John. This is Dr. Michael, obviously. Just wanted to wish you a happy 5 years of survival and success here in India.
Hello, Dr. John. Congratulations on completing 5 years with Dr. Spine. Hope the future brings more success for you. Congratulations.
Hello, John sir. How are you? You completed 5 years on Dr. Spine. Oh my God, many more. You're going to finish it. I know that it might be more than 10 years for sure. And congratulations again on completion of 5 years. I love you loads.
Hi Dr. John sir. Congratulations on your 5 years completion in Dr. Spine. We wish you many more successful years in Dr. Spine. Congratulations once again. We love you.
Hi John sir, congratulations on your 5 years of work anniversary, and we wish you a continued success and many more fulfilling years ahead. Love you John sir, and thank you.
Hi Dr. John sir, congratulations on your 5 years in spine clinic. Thank you. On the whistle.
Hi John sir, congratulations on your 5 years of journey in Dr. Spine. And I personally learned many things from you for 1 year, and how consistent you are and how you treat every single patient. And I've learned many things like how you come to work with an energy every single morning. And I personally that inspires me a lot. And thank you for being here. Thank you so much. And congratulations once again. Love you sir. Bye.
Hello John sir, congratulations on successfully completing your 5 years journey with us. We are very glad to have such a wonderful doctor like you with us, and I like your positive attitude towards learning new things to help patients, and moreover you're like a magician with those two magical hands. You helped a lot of patients, those who are suffering from many years. We're very glad to have such a wonderful person, kind-hearted and friendly nature doctor around us. And we learned a lot of things in treatment room and out of the treatment room.
John sir, we are so happy that you have completed 5 years in Dr. Spine. And we saw so many faces of you. You are not only a doctor, you are a magician, and you are a bike rider, and you are an enthusiastic person, and you are a motivator also. Because the energy that you have from morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, it's the same. It will not going to be changed. And when it comes to the treatment, you are like a king. And you won't going to think anything about apart from the treatment. Your focus is on the conditions. What shall I do the better thing for this patient? And after completion of all the patient, once they get a benefit from the patient, from you, they're gonna touch your feet and they're gonna hold their hands to bless you. And that will be like, I don't know whether you understood that or not, but for us, we know in India, the patients think doctors are like a god, and you are giving a life for so many patients. I think hundred patients, they got a benefit from your treatment. And when it comes to enjoyment, when it comes to comedy, and when it comes to magic, you are in a present moment. That's it. So we learned so many things, and we are still learning from you. And in upcoming also we are going to learn so many things from you, sir. And I'm really very happy that we are working with you. I think this is going to be continue. It's going to be continue for next 5 years or 10 years or 12 years. I don't know, but I'm really happy that we are working with you, sir. Thank you so much, and once again, happy anniversary.
Hi John sir, congratulations for completing 5 years. I have worked with you from years, and I'm very happy to see and I have learned from you guys that once again, congratulations, and your results are done. I hope you successfully completed 5 years in John sir. As I'm working with you, standing with us, and I'm grateful to working with you. Once again, wish you 5 years successfully completed in Dr. Spencer. Thank you. We love you so much.
Hi John sir, happy to hear one anniversary of time in Bangalore. We learned from you most things like your dedication, work presence, international, etc. and etc. We're really proud to be part of your team, sir. Thank you.